Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mo Mechanic 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point. Whenever you see green boogers on a battery, I automatically know the battery is almost out the door. No ifs, ands, no buts. There's no magic about it. You can put stuff on these terminals to prevent that from happening, but this case, this is an older battery. It's very hard to see, but it's 2021. It's on its way out the door. With that being said, I go a little step further. When you're trying to recharge your battery and you don't have enough acid in it because it's just an older battery, let me know how that works out for you long term. So I'm going to pop these tops off. There's six cells in this battery. This is only 3 of the 6 cells. If you look in the battery, you can see it. If you look at the battery, it's supposed to be right here with acid in it, about right there. But if you look way down there, you see how far it is way down there? Yep. It's on its way out the door. So magically, I'm going to go into the other side. I already know this battery needs to be replaced. I've already done a diagnostic. I'm just proving something that's a little bit further. I'm also wearing safety glasses too. So for all those people out there who like to talk and to say nasty things, yes, I'm wearing safety glasses. So anyway, so I'm going to pop off the other side. I'm doing this one hand, so be very mindful. And if you look down on the other side, you can't even hardly even see the acid down there. No one knows how to mix the acid in the water properly, especially DIY people. Why waste the time? Just go ahead and buy yourself a new battery. Do not buy a 90-day battery. Do not buy a 1-year battery. Buy a mid-grade battery. The batteries right now are not working very well long term. Anything after COVID, due to the fact that people do not tell you they're watering down the battery. They're putting more water than the acid in the battery. That's why your new batteries don't last 1 to 2 years, even though you're paying for a 3-year warranty. That's just a Mo Mechanic tip. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and follow. And thank you for the donations. We love to help people who cannot help themselves, like people on fixed income. Thank you for your donations. Thank you.